Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video is how to test and identify the NPN transistor using the Flock 87 digital multimeter. So as you can see, we have here a sample of NPN transistor, which is the IS9013. Then let's start the test. So at first, let's calibrate the multimeter at the diode and transistor test here. Then the read test probe should be in the pin 1, so it should be steady in the pin 1. And then the negative test probe connected to the center pin. So as you can see, there is no reading, wala pong reading. And then transfer to the pin 3, so there's no reading. So if there is no reading, so let's transfer the read test probe to the center pin, and then the steady in center pin 3. So as you can see, there is a reading. It's 0.719 volts DC. So we found the base. So the center pin is the base. And then, so let's transfer to the pin 1. So there is a reading, which is 0.722 volts DC. So pin 1 is the emitter. So as you can see, the reading, nakikita po natin ang reading. Then let's see the reading of pin 3. So pin 3 is the collector. So and then the center pin, the pin 2 is the base. So the read test probe in the center pin, and then the negative test probe in pin 1 and pin 3. So this is how to test the NPN transistor. So let's test again. So as you can see, the reading.